ഹായ്, ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ഞങ്ങളിന്നിവിടെ ഗ്രീൻ ഹിൽ പാർക്കിലാണ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ജസ്റ്റ് കാണിച്ചു തരാം. നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലെ പോലെയുള്ളൊരു സ്ഥലമാണ്. ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് കാണിച്ചു തരാമേ. എങ്ങനെ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്? നന്നായിട്ട് പോകുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഓക്കെ. എങ്ങനെയാണ് സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ ഈ ഡേ ഇവിടുത്തെ? ഓക്കെ. ഇത് നമ്മുടെ നാട് പോലെ തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഈ ഒരു കാറ്റും ഈ ഒരു തണുപ്പും ഇവിടെ വന്നിരിക്കുമ്പോഴൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാ? എന്താ മിസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലെ?
നമ്മുടെ വീട്, പ്രശ്നമേയും പിന്നെ ഊട്ടായൊക്കെ.
പാറു ഇവിടെ ഇരുന്ന് ട്രീയുടെ അടിയിൽ ഇരുന്ന് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ്. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് പാറു ഡേ ഔട്ടിങ്? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് വിൻഡൊക്കെ? എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ?
So the trail is a beautiful walk through the forest. Yeah, and that's why it's called Trailhead Park. And so the idea with this harvest share stand, we were working with the students at the elementary school to come up with an idea of what to do with the food from here, and we decided we wanted to share it for free with community. So the students helped design this and made these beautiful murals, and so anybody who grows extra food in our community and wants to share it can bring it here to share, and also we harvest from here to put into the stand. Yeah, and we're also like monarch way stations, and for the endangered butterfly, we've created habitat for some of the species that are having a hard time these days. The flowers, this purple flower has really taken over, but we encourage things to self-seed and take over when we like them and we make use of them. So this is the herb spiral, and with this edible, but at this time of the season, this stalk shoots up and creates a whole bunch of little babies on the top, and then each of these babies can be planted to turn into a new plant. And they're called walking onions because when they shoot up and become heavy at the top, they then plant themselves in a new plant. So they kind of walk around. So we like to plant these around our fruit trees as a pest deterrent. It keeps the pests kind of away from the fruit trees. So this is our cherry tree that, this is a new tree and it just fruited for the first time. So there are kids in here picking the first cherries. It's always exciting when one of our trees is producing fruit for the very first.
Seen a fresh one?
I hadn't either. I'd only had the dry one.
Because we have the dry ones, but they are very expensive.
Are they?
So
yeah. You can grow them. Yeah.
oh, so good.
And the bush behind you is also goji, but it doesn't seem to be producing this year. This is the gooseberry, and this is a really beautiful, it's very prickly, but that's gooseberry.
I'm a taster.
You're the taster. Excellent. Found you a good one. Yeah, this one is a prickly one to harvest.